I've spent my life hunting legends, but finding a 1928 Isotta Fraschini 8A buried in a dusty estate for 500. This tuxedo black masterpiece was once the pinnacle of Italian luxury. Today, look at this, a 1928 Isotta Fraschini. Incredible.
Very well.
And she's all here. All right, here's the 500 deposit.
Thank you.
All right, easy does it. Looking good, Skeeter. Years, buddy. It's been years. Worth the wait. All right, cables are tight. Slow and steady. Front wheels are up. We got it. All right, it's here. Looking a bit rough. Let's get it off the bed.
All right, she's here, the Isotta Fraschini 8A. Beautiful, isn't it? Remarkable. We'll get her up on the lift and start the assessment. Just look at that cream top. Fragile, but perfect. The arrival phase is over. Deep inspection starts now. The Isotta Fraschini's heart, revealed in all its glory. Oh. This straight 8 is ready. All right, straps are loose. Heavy one, watch your back. Got it. Okay, one down. All right, let's get this classic lens off. Careful now, she's delicate. All right, easy does it. Just a little further. Perfect. The Isotta Fraschini is finally bare. The Isotta Fraschini's heavy bumper required careful removal. The structural rust reveals the challenges ahead. The Isotta Fraschini, unbolted after years of barn storage. See the wear? But the mechanics, flawless. All right, that's one down. Let's see what's underneath. All right, time to relieve the tension here. Easy does it. The wood looks solid under there. Yeah, just need to check the joints. All right, let's see what's under here. Oh, heavy. Be careful with this. All right, careful now.
Be careful this way.
Got it. Just need to be gentle. All right, center gauge out. Labeling these wires now. Make sure they're documented correctly, always. Don't want any mistakes on the Isotta. All right, there's the factory luster. Just as I remember it. All right, final bolt. Heavy one. There, the suspension is revealed. All right, let's get this beauty off. There we go, carefully now. Yeah. And that should do it. Careful, it's heavy. Got it, clear of the pillar.
Right.
Set it down over here. Perfect. All right, these bolts are really stuck. We've almost got it loose, just hold it steady. Watch out, it's heavy, just gotta lower it carefully. The Isotta's heart is out. Check the manifold for leaks. Careful with the chains, Jerry. The Isotta's exhaust is off, revealing those beautiful structural details. Next, we start the cleanup.
Got it, another Isotta, ready for the next phase.
All right, slowly does it. Got it, looks good. All right, easy there. That's the heart of the operation. All right, and there's the main brake linkage. Years of road grime on this one. All right, doors off.
Door out.
Perfect. We're ready for the tub now. The body tub is finally separated from the chassis. Look at this immaculate tuxedo black paint against... The disassembly is complete. Every part, from the tuxedo black panels to the mechanical gears, is meticulously...
Decades of neglect. Watch this melt away. Satisfaction.
Almost there. Looking good. Just a bit more in this corner.
The Isotta Fraschini's engine bay is a mess. Watch as our custom degreaser cuts through decades of oil. The Isotta Fraschini is fully prepped with snow foam. Let it dwell for a moment, then agitate it. Now rinse it off and reveal the perfect tuxedo black finish. The Isotta Fraschini doors, finally seeing some daylight. Almost there. That faded tuxedo black is looking perfect. Still seeing some surface imperfections here. The dents and the rust spots are still showing under the light. Wow, that's a beautiful machine. Look at that shine. You got it, boss. Barn grime is history. Almost there. See that color coming through? Beautiful. Outstanding work. All right, time to make these old beauties shine again. Just the right amount.
The intake and exhaust manifolds of the 1928 Isotta Fraschini 8A are pressure washed.
All right, let's make this shine. Just need to get this angle here. Perfect. Perfect, like new again. The Isotta Fraschini differential is ready for paint. That degreaser did the trick. Almost there. Another pass will do it. Keep it steady. Almost there. Perfect. Ready to go back on the Isotta Fraschini. All right, that's the last of the old interior gone. Now, we're ready for the insulation.
The Isotta Fraschini 8A, a masterpiece of automotive history. We're proud to bring this beauty.
With the chassis perfected, it's time to refresh the suspension, ensuring smooth performance. Every leaf of this Fraschini's...
All right, now that's what I call clean. Ready for the cabin. Perfect, she's clean and ready. Roger that, bring her in. All right. Just a few tacks to hold this in place. Perfect. The tuxedo black fender is looking better now. Just need a few more taps here. That's it, almost perfect.
The tuxedo black is gone. Now, just mirror-like bare metal, sanded perfect. We're ready for primer.
All right, that's the base coat finished. Looking good, old girl. Perfect.
Almost there. These polished bolts really make a difference. Perfect. Done.
Perfect fit, just like it was meant to be. The Isotta's valve clearance is spot on now. She'll run perfectly. Time to polish her up. The heart of the Isotta Fraschini, back to its original factory color.
Looks perfect.
Ready for that tuxedo black body. Precision in every tooth, just like it was meant to be. This Isotta Fraschini will be perfect. The Isotta Fraschini 8A needs the best. We're using modern compound brake linings, riveted with copper. Proper tension is key.
Perfect. It's ready. Tuxedo black, just like she deserves.
All right, that's one leaf spring securely attached. We're making progress. The copper lines are routed perfectly along this Isotta Fraschini. That's a beautiful job. With the fresh brake lines installed on the 1928 Isotta Fraschini, the mechanical restoration is nearly complete.
Gently down. Keep it steady on the left.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. She's finally home. Excellent work, everyone.
All right, perfect coverage on the final pass. Looking good.
The entire central body of the 1928 Isotta Fraschini 8A is coated in tuxedo black paint.
The Isotta Fraschini 8A. Tuxedo black. Let's make it perfect.
Perfect. The final coat is flawless. All right, first pass. Taking the sanding marks out. Perfect.
The wire wheel hubs of the 1928 Isotta Fraschini 8A are painted in tuxedo black to match the body.
The Isotta Fraschini deserves nothing less.
Oh.
Look at that contrast. The wheels are on, and for the first time, this 28 Isotta Fraschini is standing on its own in its new
Precision. Perfect fit. Beautiful. The tuxedo black car finally regains its iconic facial expression. All right, perfect alignment.
All right.
That's it, bolted into place. Beautiful. The crowning jewel, finally home.
And just like that, the Isotta's restored running boards are bolted on. Perfect.
Yeah.
Makes all the difference, doesn't it?
Perfect. She's sitting right where she should be.
The Isotta Fraschini 8A, now with its perfect tuxedo black hood panels aligned, is ready for its final phase.
All right, feast your eyes on this. We're installing the silver heat and sound insulation in the cabin of the 1928 Isotta Fraschini.
All right. This thick wool will add a luxurious touch.
Good.
Good. Now just press it in here around the pedals.
Precision is key to bringing this beauty back to life.
That fits like a glove, absolutely perfect.
Fits perfectly. Another Isotta ready for the road. The Isotta Fraschini seats are fully restored. Just about ready for upholstery.
The stitching here must be absolutely flawless. It's for an Isotta Fraschini. It's coming together beautifully, Master.
The heart of the Isotta ready for perfection.
The scent of the leather, it's just right. Perfect fit, isn't it? Yes, absolutely perfect.
Perfect fit. Absolutely beautiful. All right, alignment looks good. Now just these bolts. Perfect. Solid. The perfect fit. And the finished look, exactly as designed. Precision is key here. Every joint fits like it's brand new.
Yeah.
Now for the final seating. Just right. The perfect fit. This 1928 Isotta Fraschini is finally home. Perfect. It's fully sealed now, ready for the road. All right, that's the last one.
Yeah.
Let's see if she's alive.
Yeah.
Yes, lights on. Now for the music. This is the final touch. Back where it belongs. The heart of the machine beats once more. All right, Isotta, let's see if there's still life in you. Just a little more, come on. All right, first start. Yeah, she's alive, sounding good.
The tuxedo black Isotta Fraschini, finally finished. It's beautiful, isn't it? Every line, every detail, a testament to timeless elegance. The Fraschini's grace is unmatched. The Isotta Fraschini, a piece of art brought back to its original glory. That tuxedo black finish is flawless.
All right, old girl, let's show them what we've done. Looking magnificent, boss.
The golden hour truly makes this beast shine. Absolutely breathtaking.
If you want to see more of these forgotten legends come back to life like this beautiful Isotta, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now.
And don't forget to tell me in the comments which car we should rescue next, because every masterpiece deserves a second chance.